I'm standing here in Queen Victoria Park across the street from Toronto Power, above the iconic Horseshoe Falls on the upper Niagara River. Niagara Parks is very proud to announce the next steps in the redevelopment and reimagining of the historic Toronto Power Station. Toronto Power went into service in 1906, operated right through till 1974. For almost 50 years, the site has been dormant. The architect for Toronto Power was E.J. Lennox, who designed some very important buildings in Ontario, including Old Toronto City Hall and Casa Loma. It was constructed in the Italian Renaissance style. Today, it's a National Historic Site. Niagara Parks is pleased to announce the result of the request for proposal stage. We've identified the successful proponent as Pearle Hospitality. We have 4 project goals. Number 1 is to see the full restoration of the power station. The second goal is to create a new visitor experience to bring new visitors to Niagara Parks, to Niagara, and to Ontario. The third goal is to see an economic return to Niagara Parks through a rent payment similar to our arrangement with Niagara City Cruises and Niagara Adventure Excursions. The fourth project goal is to see a broader economic impact from jobs created during construction to jobs created during the operation of the new visitor experience. The historic $200+ million investment by Pearle Hospitality will transform Toronto Power into a new world-class guest experience. Key features of the fully restored Toronto Power Station will include Niagara Falls' first and only 5-star boutique accommodation, a variety of culinary offerings, free public viewing areas both indoors and outdoors, including a rooftop observation deck, a museum dedicated to the architect of Toronto Power, E.J. Lennox, a public art gallery and theatre, event space, and educational programming. Pearle Hospitality has a depth of experience from similar projects of heritage restoration across Ontario, including the Ancaster Mill, the Cambridge Mill, and the Elora Mill. They have assembled an Ontario-based team to carry out the work on this project, including MT planners and Plus VG architects. Similar to Niagara Parks redeveloping the Niagara Parks Power Station, the heritage considerations are first and foremost in this project. After ceasing operation in 1974, the power station has been deteriorating for a number of years. Through this call for proposals process, Niagara Parks was looking to the private sector to not only reimagine and restore the power station, but also to bring their private sector investment. Pearle Hospitality will be investing an historic $200+ million into the project. We will be undertaking heritage reviews, archaeology, and consultation, leading to the groundbreaking in 2024 and the eventual opening of the brand new guest experience in 2027.